Hey everyone, I wanted to personally invite you to something that's really special that I've developed for July. It's really hot outside, and you know that I am not the best for being outside, but I love retreats and I love being around women and learning new things and doing self-care and pampering and all of that. So what I have come up with is it's called the Sacred Return. It's a 3-day divine feminine hybrid retreat. And for me, it's kind of a way to release a lot of the stress that is going on. It's a space to rest and remember and reclaim your energy. Because, like right now, so many women are carrying a lot. We have our responsibilities, our emotions, our family energy, our ancestral patterns, grief, transitions, all of that. And sometimes even the presence of just constantly being strong. So, what I was thinking about was creating this retreat and it be called the Sacred Return. It would be on July the 17th and the 18th. We're going to meet virtually on Zoom, so you can join from your home. You can create your own sacred space. That's what we're going to do. Light a candle, bring your journal, and allow yourself to receive. On July the 19th, we're going to gather both on Zoom. So if you don't live around the Nashville area, you can do all 3 days. And then if you do live in the Nashville area, for about 10 people, I have enough spots at the Healing Society of Nashville. And it gives you the opportunity to join us both virtually and in person. So throughout the retreat, we are going to look at the divine feminine through rest and reflection and release. And it's pretty interesting. I will go through and show you quickly the page. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Give me just one moment. And you can find the information on my website. It's bertina@bertina.org. There we go. And if you just click on Sacred Return, it's there. So as it shows, it's Zoom and in person. And if you scroll down, here is the schedule. So like Friday, we meet 7 o'clock. That gives you enough time to get dinner together and get people out of your way. We're going to do an opening ceremony and a welcome, a meditation. Then we're going to create a home and altar space, and then a pajama party where we can sip tea or wine, connect, and just hang out for a little bit. Friday is there. You can purchase Friday by itself, or you can purchase the whole weekend. Saturday's very busy. It starts at 9 o'clock and it goes all day long. There's shadow work and somatic yoga and face yoga and Kundalini work and everything else like that. There's a lot. Sunset, a sacred bath ritual. I will not be doing the bath with you. I will give you some information on that. And also a pajama party. And Saturday by itself is 144. And then Sunday is the in-person closing retreat, and it is 55. If you do the entire weekend, it is 222. The really cool thing is that it will be recorded, okay? So if you go here and you want all 3 days virtual, you click here and you pay. If you want 2 days virtual and then in person, it says in person here, you click here. And it includes a lot of things. So I want you all to take a moment and just kind of um, go onto the website, look around. And I'm also doing payment plans. So if 222 is a lot, but you really want to attend for the entire weekend, just reach out to me on social media. Email me at my email, Bertina, Bertena, at Bertina, Bertena.org. You can also go to my website and just kind of contact me through there. But ladies, this is going to be Friday evening, all day Saturday, and then the afternoon on Sunday, just a couple of hours. So it's really a good time for you to be able to just relax and release and have some fun. So please reach out and let me know if you're interested in any of this, because if we have a lot of interest, I'm going to do one of these in the wintertime, basically when weather and traffic is really bad. And then eventually, since I am no longer employed at my full-time job, I may eventually have an in-person retreat, but I got to see what we all want. Okay. So I wish you all a wonderful week. Stay hydrated, stay cool. I love you all, and goodbye.